In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple and effective coming soon page for your website. This is a great way to generate interest and capture leads while you're hard at work behind the scenes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your website builder's editor. Once you're in, the goal here is to add a new blank page which will serve as your canvas. Naming your page is important as it sets the tone for what your visitors can expect. So consider calling it Coming Soon or Under Construction. This can signal visitors that you're working on something exciting and new. Now, if you want to speed things up, it's a great idea to make use of your website builder's pre-designed templates. Look for a Coming Soon page or a landing page template. These are fantastic starting points that offer a clean and professional layout, saving you a lot of time while ensuring your page looks polished from the get-go. Once you have your template set up, it's time to dive into customization. Use the drag and drop tools provided by your builder to add and edit elements that align with your brand's identity. Remember, it's crucial to include your company logo to make the page recognizable to returning visitors. Alongside the logo, you'll want to craft a clear, engaging message that hints at what's coming without giving too much away. And incredibly important for keeping in touch is having a call to action. Think about embedding an email sign-up form. This way, visitors can be notified when you're ready to launch. Not only does this keep them engaged, but it also builds an email list of potential customers right from the start. After customizing your page comes a very important step: setting it as your homepage. You want this page to be the first thing visitors see when they type in your website. This ensures that while your site is under construction, visitors are directed to the Coming Soon page without any distractions. To really keep it focused, consider hiding your site's header and footer. This prevents visitors from navigating away from the page, keeping their attention exactly where you want it. Finally, don't forget to save your changes and hit publish. This action takes your page live, allowing visitors to start landing on your Coming Soon page immediately. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up an effective Coming Soon page. Now you're ready to showcase what's coming next for your brand while building anticipation and keeping in touch with your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and good luck with your website launch.